Which portable wheelchair ramp is actually worth it? Simple question, but the answer isn't as easy as it looks. With so many claiming to be lightweight, safe, and easy to carry, it's hard to tell what really works. Today, we're cutting through the noise. Product number 1, FACHNUO 2-foot ramp. Let's start with the FACHNUO 2-foot portable wheelchair ramp. This one caught my eye because it's one of the most affordable options at just over $100, and it's already been bought by over 1,000 people in the last month. It's made of aluminum, weighs only 11 pounds, and folds down to a compact size with a built-in handle. If you need something lightweight for small steps or doorways under 6 inches, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This ramp is perfect for low thresholds like front door steps or small curbs. The 800-pound weight capacity means it handles most wheelchairs and scooters with ease. The non-slip surface and side baffles give you peace of mind, especially in wet conditions or low light thanks to the reflective strips. And because it's so light, you can easily toss it in a car or carry it with one hand. Now, some people might be turned off by the fact that it's only rated for heights up to 6 inches, and honestly, that's a real limitation. If you've got a taller step or a van with a higher entry point, this won't cut it. Also, the narrow width means wheelchairs with a wider wheelbase over 27 inches won't work. But for basic home use, it's solid. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly, no-frills ramp for everyday low-step access. Skip this one if you're dealing with stairs taller than 6 inches or have a wider wheelchair. For the price and portability, it's a great entry-level option. Product number 2, FACHNUO 3-foot ramp. Now, if the 2-foot version felt too short for your needs, the FACHNUO 3-foot ramp might be the better fit. Priced at $145, it's still very affordable and supports the same 800-pound load. It's a bit heavier at 16 pounds, but the extra length makes it ideal for steps between 3 and 9 inches, much more versatile than the 2-foot model. Here's why this matters. The longer ramp gives you a gentler slope, which is easier and safer for both manual and electric wheelchairs. The double non-slip surface with pleated texture really grips even when it's wet. Plus, the extended guide rails and reflective strips keep things stable and visible at night. It's still foldable and comes with a suitcase-style handle so you can take it anywhere. That said, this ramp isn't perfect. Some users mention it can sink slightly under heavy weight, but the brand says that's normal and it rebounds quickly. Also, like its shorter sibling, it's not ideal for wide wheelchairs or sliding doors if space is tight. Still, for most home and outdoor use, it holds up well. This is perfect for you if you have mid-height steps or need something portable for occasional travel. Skip this one if you're regularly dealing with steps over 9 inches or need a seamless center hinge. For everyday use, it's a reliable upgrade over the 2-foot version. Product number 3, VNN 6-foot ramp. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for taller entries, the VNN 6-foot portable ramp. At $321, it's definitely a bigger investment, but it's built for serious use. It handles step heights from 6 to 18 inches, making it ideal for vans, raised porches, or garage steps. Here's why this matters for you. The seamless center hinge design eliminates the tripping hazard you get with folding ramps, and it's safer for pets too. The double non-slip surface folds plus a textured layer gives excellent traction. Plus, it comes with screws to secure it to wooden platforms, which adds stability. At 35 pounds, it's heavier, but the upgraded handle makes it manageable. Now, the downside, it's bulky. Even folded, it's over 6 feet long, so storage and transport aren't as easy. And at over $300, it's not for everyone. Some users also wish it came with a carrying case, which it doesn't. This is perfect for you if you need access to high steps or vehicles and want maximum safety and durability. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need something for small doorways. If you're investing in long-term accessibility, this is a top-tier choice. Product number 4, VNN 5-foot ramp. Now, if the 6-foot ramp felt too long or expensive, the VNN 5-foot version strikes a smart middle ground. At $257, it's $60 cheaper and slightly lighter at 30 pounds. It's designed for 5 to 15-inch rises, so it still handles most home and vehicle access needs without going overboard. Here's why this matters. You still get that seamless hinge, double non-slip surface, and reflective side guards, all the safety features of the 6-foot model, just in a more compact form. The transition plates at both ends help it sit flush on the ground, reducing wobble. And like the longer version, it can be screwed down for extra stability. The main drawback: it's still not cheap, and it's not exactly easy to carry around daily. Also, the folded size is still pretty long, so tight storage spaces might be an issue. This is perfect for you if you need reliable access for mid to high steps but don't want to go full 6 foot. Skip this one if you're looking for something truly portable or under $200. It's a great balance of performance and practicality. Product number 5, Supportway 3-foot Quick Lock. Finally, let's talk about the Supportway 3-foot ramp with Quick Lock. This one stands out because of its 3-second setup. Just unfold and click into place. No pins, no tools, no hassle. At $148 and only 18 pounds, it's one of the most user-friendly options out there. Here's why this matters. The Quick Lock latch makes it ideal for people who need fast, reliable access without fumbling with parts. The aerospace-grade aluminum keeps it light but strong, and the anti-slip corrugated surface works great in rain or snow. The side rails prevent roll-offs, and the compact folded size fits easily in a car trunk. Now the flaw: some users report minor flexing under heavy loads, which the brand says is normal with aluminum. Also, while it's great for 3 to 9-inch rises, it's not for taller steps. This is perfect for you if you value speed, portability, and ease of use. Skip this one if you need access to very high steps or prefer a seamless center design. For on-the-go independence, this ramp is hard to beat. So which one should you pick? The FACHNUO 2-foot is great for tight budgets and low steps. The 3-foot versions from FACHNUO and Supportway offer better versatility, with Supportway winning on ease of use. If you need serious access for high steps, the VNN 5 or 6-foot ramps are the most durable, just heavier and pricier. Think about your daily needs, step height, and portability. Any of these can make a real difference. Just pick the one that fits your life.